Hello and welcome to the Refracted Light Fiber Arts YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to work the 2/2 right-leaning double decrease cable. This is a cable that I developed when I was designing my Fool of a Toque hat pattern. And it's not something that I've seen anywhere else, so I wanted to make a video to help you get a better sense of how to work this stitch. It is a double decrease cable, which means that we're going to be working 2 decreases while we work the cable. So it starts with 4 stitches and ends with 2. So let's get into the demonstration. So now let's work the 2/2 right-leaning double decrease cable. So for this one, I've got my 4 stitches of my cable set up here that I'm going to be decreasing. And I'm going to work up to those 4 stitches. So I've just worked up to those 4 stitches. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to slip one because we're rearranging these 2 stitches in the middle here. And then I'm going to insert my right needle into the second stitch on my left needle from the front of my work. Slide those first 2 stitches off and then insert my left needle back into that free stitch that was hanging there on the back of my work. I'm going to rearrange those 2 stitches and then I'm going to slip the first 2 stitches of my cable back onto my left needle. Okay, so now I've just rearranged the 2 stitches in the middle of my cable. And now I'm going to work across those 4 by knitting 2 together twice. So that's my double decrease. Okay, so then I'm just going to finish the row so we can take a look at that. Okay. So now you can kind of compare these 2 side by side. So you see in both of these cases, we've decreased from 4 stitches down to 2. Here we've done it left leaning, and here we've done it right leaning. So now you know how to work both of those double decrease cables.